Alright guys, gonna make a quick video here. I got a 2006 Ford Explorer XLT with the V8 in it. Just wanted to show you what the largest tire you can put on without putting a lift on. Those are Nitto Ridge Grappler 265/70 R17s on ATX Mojave IIs. As you can see, they fill out the wheel wells pretty much all the way, so I am going to be putting a leveling kit on this. I'm going to do 3 inches in the front, 1.5 inches in the back, and that'll give it plenty of clearance, you know, if I'm off-road, whatever. But as you can see, they fill out the wells pretty good. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.